I'm Tony Springett. I'm here using the Norwich City buggy. Let's see how quick I can do this. No, wait, let me start again. Let me start
again. 3, 2, 1, go.
Right, you ready?
Bro, just focus on your thing, innit?
Alright, go.
Try cheating that as well.
Oh my god.
You just cut corners, yeah?
Whoa!
Oh
my goodness. Surely you gotta go round the tinsel, bro.
Here we go.
Can I just the rules for that one? Can I pick it up?
No way. Oh, you've ruined it. You've ruined it. I don't know where you're going.
Come on, get. No, I'm stuck.
I'm stuck.
No.
That
was nice.
Still got time from that unbelievable start.
Oh! A man's cheating and he's still not gonna beat my time.
I am.
No. Yes. No.
It's stuck. It's stuck. Bro, you can actually beat him if you get over this quick. Oh my god. Oh my god.
There we go. Hey! Oh.
This is how you drive when.
Right.
That's a DNF.
Call that death.
That is a DNF. That is. Did not even finish.
Doing so well then. Yeah, I was doing so well until that last bit.
No.
Finish.
No, finish. No good.
There you go back, get back.
What's the rules on that?
Oh my god, what are you doing, man?
God, quick, stop looking at the
No!
Hey, why are you cheating? Why are you cheating?
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's good. Finish.
Go on, son! Hey! Did it stop it?
3:19.
But you have to cut that. Make sure that don't end up anywhere. Yeah? Because if he wins, then I'm quitting.
Take it, yeah?
Bro,
Got excited.
you're trying to ruin Christmas.
You're not good.
Stop it! I was on 24 seconds! I was on 24 seconds!
Oh, mate!
I'm the champ. Thank you. That's it.
Are you gonna be a gentlemanship, man?
What, for being the champ? I saw it on 24. How's it on 30 now? Anyways, it was good. I'm the winner though, don't worry about that. Thank you guys. Merry Christmas and all that. Now I'm just gonna leave because I'm a champ. I'll do what I want.